Hello, I am Nilesh Shinde and today we are going to discuss bean wiring. Bean wiring is a topic where we are injecting dependent class object into a target class, and this is done by two ways. The first way is explicit wiring and second is auto wiring. The explicit wiring is a wiring where in a application context or XML file, Spring Bean configuration file, we done dependent class, we inject dependent class in target class using constructor hyphen arg tag or using property tag. This is explicit wiring. But to do the wiring without using constructor hyphen arg tag or property tag, we have to do it using auto wiring. Means first type of bean wiring is explicit wiring. That is, in there we inject dependent class object in target class using constructor hyphen arg or property tag. And if you don't want to use constructor hyphen arg or property tag, then we have to go for auto wiring. So before going to auto wiring, we will discuss some limitations of auto wiring. There are some limitations like auto wiring is possible only on reference or object type values. It is not possible on simple type values. Means if we use auto wiring on simple type values, we cannot predict that what the values will be given by user. Means the simple values always will be given by user or programmer, and the reference type or reference values will be configured in the Spring Bean configuration file. So auto wiring is only work on reference type or object type values. It will not work on simple values. This is first limitation of auto wiring. The second most important limitation is it kills readability, because as we know that we are not using constructor hyphen arg or property tag to inject the object, so we cannot say that which Spring Bean configuration is executing and which injection is enabled in that, or we cannot say that how much properties or argument parameterized constructor is executing. So it kills readability, and we cannot say which tag or which configuration is running. So this is second drawback. And third drawback is here in auto wiring there may be chances of rising ambiguity exceptions or ambiguity situations. Why ambiguity situations may rise? Because there may be a chance that we can configure one single bean id or one single dependent bean multiple times in a Spring Bean configuration file with different bean IDs. So if we take this, then there may be a chance of getting ambiguity exception, because